BBN Nutritional Training Network. Welcome back, everybody. This transporter is brilliant and transport myself all around the place. It's great getting the washing out in the line, getting back in, doing the cooking. So today I thought we're going to keep as well on the theme of mood busting recipes or mood busting eats over the month of May in particular, and then we'll start maybe looking at a few
cakes again.
But for this week, what I have for us is a salad that's, I think it's called a Feta Cheese salad or a Feta salad. It was given to me, or the ingredients of it was given to me by a friend of mine, Helen Sherwin. So Helen, I think I messaged Helen years back and I said to her, you know, has she got any recipes kind of for, I want to start eating healthier, and had she got any recipes that she could suggest, and she came back with this. And years on, I'm still eating this salad. I absolutely love it. And if you don't like salad, this could change your mind. It really could. It could change your mind. It's so simple to do. Some of the ingredients are maybe slightly different than what you might put into your traditional salad, but together, combined, it's so delicious. I really hope that you can give it a go and give it a try. All of the ingredients can be gotten from Lidl or Aldi, and I'd probably recommend getting it from Lidl or Aldi because it really cuts down the price. Thumbs up Lidl and Aldi. Okay, so I have prepared everything already, as you can see. I thought that would be an awful lot easier, and it cuts out the dancing as well. As you've seen in other videos when I'm cooking or whisking and chopping and things like that, I do a little bit of dancing. So to give myself a little bit of a break at home, I pre-prepared everything to give you guys a bit of a break. I prepared everything earlier. So I'm just going to explain what I have. So the first thing that I have is, I'm going to make, this is going to be for 2 portions, okay, 2 adult portions. So this is a bowl of spinach leaves. Spinach, it's pre-washed as well. Sometimes you can buy spinach leaves that need to be washed or rinsed under the sink before you eat them. These are pre-washed. I always find the pre-washed ones handier, even if they're a little bit more expensive. The same with rocket as well. So this is rocket, okay, and I'm using less rocket in my salad because the flavour from rocket is actually quite strong. So I'm going to try it. And again, to me, I get a kind of a meaty taste as well. Really flavoursome. Lots of nutrients in these types of salads. In your traditional iceberg salad, or your kind of leaf salad that you would buy, that that we would have grown up with over the years, it's not bad for you, but there's not an awful lot of good nutrients and things like that in them, or vitamins. These ones are packed with goodness. So it's worthwhile including these in your salad. Okay, so that's kind of going to form the bulk of our salad. And then to add into that, then we've got some tomatoes. These are just cherry tomatoes. They're the Sunstream tomatoes. I'm just going to show you the packet. Sunstream, okay, tomatoes. I got these in Lidl. I think they're on special offer at the moment. They're really sweet and juicy, absolutely delicious. Much nicer than, say, your typical salad tomato that you buy a 6-pack of and you slice up and put in a sandwich. So much more flavour in these tomatoes, so I recommend Sunstream tomatoes. Okay, then the next thing we have is red onion. Okay, so you're all probably familiar with onion. This is red. There's a slightly different flavour in red onion over white onion. You kind of nearly have to eat the 2 of them side by side to kind of really be able to tell the difference. But also as well, the red onion gives lots of colour in your salad. And then you're probably going to think this is strange, but these are strawberries. Again, at the moment, Lidl are doing a special on strawberries. I think for a punnet it's $2.49 or thereabouts. But the strawberries and one of the ingredients in this salad, which is balsamic vinegar, is absolutely delicious. Now, this wasn't recommended by Helen. Sorry, I have to say that, Helen, you didn't tell me about putting strawberries into this salad. This came from another salad that I had recently, and I just thought it was a really nice addition to add into this salad because of the balsamic vinegar. It just goes really, really well together. You're probably going to think, what, strawberries and balsamic vinegar? Oh, Jesus. But it is delicious. It works really, really well. Okay. The next thing then is your feta cheese. So again, in Lidl, this just comes in kind of a small, kind of a block or a slither, and you just slice it up then into cubes, the way I've done here. And then chicken as well. So this is just kind of your typical roast chicken. If you want, you can oven cook a couple of chicken breasts or boil them up and then just cut them up. So there you go. And then, so that's kind of all our kind of, I suppose, kind of main ingredients. And then as our dressing, we have extra virgin olive oil. When you're buying olive oil, what I noticed recently is because I bought some olive oil. I bought this in Dunn's, and it says a blend of vegetable oil with 15% pure olive oil. Now, I tried this in a salad and it's not that nice. This oil is better for cooking, okay, because the flavour difference between this oil and this oil is so noticeable. This oil is Italian extra virgin olive oil, and I got this a little, and it is delicious with salad. So just be mindful of the olive oil that you go with, because some of them are better for cooking with rather than using for salads. And then the other dressing then is balsamic vinegar. Okay, so this is like a very dark in colour, and this will go really well with the olive oil. And actually, this dressing is probably the most healthiest dressing that you could decide to put over your salad, healthier than a mayonnaise or other type of dressings that you can kind of buy already made up in jars or squeezy things. Okay, so let's start putting together. So all we're really going to do is start with your spinach leaves. Okay, in a bowl like so. Then get your rocket leaves. Okay, more spinach leaves actually in there. Okay, and I'm just going to mix those around a little bit. My hands. Buddy's beneath me. He's picking up anything that falls on the floor. Okay, and then you're just getting your tomatoes. Sprinkle your tomatoes in over. Okay, now if you want, you can just get a bowl and put everything in, mix it all up, but I like to do it this way because actually, especially if you're presenting it or you're making the salad for somebody else, it's actually nice to be able to see all of the ingredients sitting in the salad bowl, as opposed to sometimes when you mix it all together first and then put it onto the plate, all the strawberries, the chicken, all the other bits and pieces just go kind of fall to the bottom of your salad, and you can mainly see the leaves. So you want to be able to see everything on your salad. Okay, so we have our tomatoes in there, and we're just going to put some chicken now as well. Okay, we can hide some of the chicken in under the leaves as well. Okay, and now some of our feta cheese. And again, you can just hide some of that if there's too much. Our red onion. So you can kind of start to see now the colour of this salad kind of coming together. And our strawberries. And then actually one of the ingredients that I think I forgot to mention is cashew nuts. So these cashew nuts are just kind of gently broken up with my fingers as I was placing them into the bowl. So you just, rather than whole, you're just kind of breaking them up very roughly. And sprinkle them over the top. Okay, and then with your olive oil. So again, it's really up to you how much olive oil you want to use. I'm just going to lightly drizzle the olive oil first, and then finish with the balsamic vinegar, because the balsamic vinegar, remember, said it is darker in colour, so it gives a kind of gives another kind of I suppose a layer of colour to your salad as well. And I'm going to be a bit more generous there with the balsamic vinegar because it's delicious. Okay, so there we go. You have your feta cheese salad. I'm going to call it a Hellektra after my friend Helen Sherwin. And I'll just let you see there a bit more closely. So there you go. So it's a beautiful, easy to make salad. You'll have no problem cutting up those bits and pieces and buying those ingredients in the shop. Very easy to find. So I'll put the ingredients in the description box below, and please give it a go. If there's some ingredients in there that you don't like, I know some people don't really like onion, for instance, leave the onion out. Or if you kind of feel, oh no, the strawberries is just a kind of a stretch too far, leave the strawberries out. So kind of, or if you don't like feta cheese, you can put cheddar cheese in there. If you don't like cashew nuts, you can put walnuts in. So just decide kind of like, you know, create your own salad. From what I've done with you there, but it's absolutely delicious. Olive oil, balsamic vinegar, delicious, nutritious, healthy, and it's definitely a mood buster, especially when you're eating it, and that's going to keep you going for quite a while. You could have this even for a dinner. I'm going to have it for my lunch today, but you could have it for your dinner. There's an awful lot in it. So enjoy, and enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy your weekend, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.